Good morning. So I bought a 2012 Honda Accord and I love it. I noticed that one of the turn light signals is not working. I called Honda. I usually go to Honda for a lot of things. They're pretty good. I like getting oil changes there. However, they told me it was $39.99 to switch out each light bulb. It's always recommended to do both. So $80 plus tax. I went to a auto mechanic store, any one of them, AutoZone, Advance, O'Reilly, take your pick. Here's what I bought. The Sylvania 7528 for this vehicle, $5.99. It's about $6.34 with tax, and we're going to try to save ourselves, 80 bucks. Okay, so I've gotten started here. And just remember, when you're dealing with light bulbs, you always want to wear rubber gloves. So it's kind of hard working with one hand, but I open my hood over here by my battery, as you can tell. These are a bit more accessible. This 2011 model, 2012. And that's it right there. If you can see it. Yeah, that's it right there, that bulb. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it counterclockwise. There it is. That's it. We're going to switch it out. You push down. Voila. Then you get your new one. On the inside, make sure there's no dust. Sometimes you may have a little bit of bulb acid or buildup. Push in, push down, and turn. And there you can feel that it's locked in there. Find your entry, and then here's another neat thing right there. You don't have to go all the way in. You can tell. You see, there's my bulb. So here's where it gets a little tricky on the passenger side, because you have your water or your coolant reservoir. All I did was put a little bit. There it is. You see how it just lifts up. When I first looked at it, I thought I had to unscrew something. You really don't. It's super easy. You actually just have to get your hand in down here on the bottom and just lift. Give it a nice stern lift straight up, and you should feel that slide out. You may have to put a little strength into it. Don't feel like you're going to break something, because you won't. And there is what you are lifting it off of. You see? That's it right there. Okay, good people. There it is. Back into place. And here, and I'll just show you briefly. It's back into place. It's locked in. All I did was put a little bit. There it is. You see how it just lifts up. And now we're just pushing it back. Good to go. Let's see if they work. All right, there it is. There you have it. Just saved ourselves $80.